Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to check the manufacturing date of this laptop. To check the manufacturing date of your laptop, you gotta see its serial number, which is located on the back cover of your device. So let me close the lid and turn the laptop around to show you the serial number of my laptop. Now you can find the serial number right here, and take a look at the 4th, 5th and 6th digits of the serial number. For me those are 945. The 4th digit indicates the last digit of the year in which the laptop was manufactured, so for me it's 2019, and 4 and 5 indicate the week of the year in which the laptop was manufactured, so for me it's 45th week, which means that my laptop was manufactured during 45th week of the 2019, which is early November. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.